Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best bridge cameras on Amazon. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Panasonic Lumix FZ1002. The FZ1002 stands as a noteworthy upgrade to the original Panasonic FZ1000 bridge camera, offering a compelling blend of cutting-edge technology at a remarkable value. At its core, a 21 MP 1-inch sensor collaborates with a versatile 25-400mm Leica branded lens, delivering a robust imaging foundation. The camera boasts 4K UHD video capability, 5-axis image stabilization, a 2.36 million OLED viewfinder, and seamless connectivity for Wi-Fi. Enhanced with video-specific features like zebra patterning, the FZ1002 caters to both photography and videography enthusiasts. A wise choice for those who prioritize performance over the latest bells and whistles, especially when the FZ2000/FZ2500's advanced features aren't essential. Secure a great deal on modern technology with the FZ1002, capturing moments with precision and versatility. Number 2. Nikon P1000. This is a revelation for those seeking an all-in-one zoom powerhouse. The standout feature, an astonishing 3000mm focal length, sets it apart in the world of bridge cameras. The convenience of seamlessly transitioning from 24mm to 3000mm without lens changes is a game changer. Although, at the telephoto end, a sacrifice of 3 stops, reducing the aperture from f/2.8 to f/8, and some noticeable softness in images are trade-offs. Powered by a 3-inch 16MP sensor, the P1000 may not boast a large sensor, but its high-resolution electronic viewfinder, 4K video capabilities, and RAW shooting compensate for it. Despite the high price relative to its sensor size, the P1000 emerges as the ultimate choice for those prioritizing unparalleled zoom range. Number 3. Canon PowerShot SX70HS. While the SX70HS appears to be a competitor to the Panasonic FZ82, boasting a slightly longer maximum zoom and comparable wide-angle capabilities, its f/3 to 6 maximum aperture range and 20MP resolution highlight limitations tied to its small 3-inch sensor. Despite its comfortable handling and relatively compact size for a bridge camera, the market has evolved, presenting alternatives with more extensive zoom ranges, larger sensors, or more attractive price points. While the SX70HS provides respectable specifications, its price point puts it at a disadvantage, making rival options appear more enticing. As the industry advances, the SX70HS faces stiff competition, and potential buyers may find better value elsewhere. Number 4. Sony RX10 IV. The Sony CyberShot RX10 IV, though commanding the highest price, justifies its premium status with groundbreaking features. The star upgrade from its predecessor, the RX10 III, is the 315-point phase detect AF system, significantly enhancing tracking capabilities for moving subjects. Another notable first is the inclusion of a touchscreen, adding a layer of intuitive control to its sophisticated features. Connectivity is seamless with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, facilitating on-the-go image sharing to smartphones. While the 24-600mm lens may not boast the widest focal range, the 1-inch Sony sensor within delivers unparalleled image quality. Versatility is its forte, with capabilities like 24 FPS continuous burst shooting and 4K video, positioning it as a powerhouse performer for a range of scenarios. Number 5. Panasonic Lumix FZ2500. Panasonic continues its winning streak with the FZ2500, building on the success of the FZ1000. Sporting a 1-inch sensor, a versatile 25-400mm equiv f/2 to 4 zoom lens, and 4K video capabilities, it stands as a compelling DSLR alternative. It goes a step further with a slightly longer lens, touchscreen control, and an electronic viewfinder featuring higher magnification. The most significant enhancements come in the realm of video, with the inclusion of DCI 4K video and a variable ND filter, catering to both video and stills. While lacking weather sealing, its declining price, coupled with occasional cashback deals, positions it as a value-driven competitor to Sony's RX10 series. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.